Hello everyone, it's Ashwin Rao. Wanted to bring you back to a pair of boots that I've featured in a number of different ways, but is just completed its first conditioning cycle. And this is a pair from XBXS Boots Factory. This is their miner boot, which is reminiscent of the Viberg 310. It's a military style service boot with a more notable toe spring you can see across here, meaning that it has a turned up toe. This particular model featured a CF Stead Brandy Waxed Kudu leather, which almost had a ghost-like look to it. I wore it that way for about 7 months, noticed a fair bit of burnishing happening on the heel and the toe, and decided to use Pure Polish products to bring out more of that undertone, that brandy undertone, and to condition the leather just because it had been a while. You can see what a cool effect this leather has developed in terms of patina. Here is just a Pure Polish conditioner, no color added, and you can see that darkened toe. You can also see the heel block has more of a darkening to it compared to the shaft, which is slightly lighter. The shoe and the lasting process that that XBXS does creates really beautiful rolls and waves in the leather. This is not a leather that's going to be easy to crease. You can see just a bit of micro creasing along the top of the vamp here, but overall this is a very soft, supple leather that has its own natural grain characteristics, and as you can see has a really cool patina forming on top of that kudu natural scars and dings that you see from the original antelope leather that this heralds from. So XBXS does a really nice job of building machine welted high quality shoes. They use really stylish construction methods, including this double row stitch down construction, which I think is very cleanly done. This is what struck me about them when I first discovered the brand on Instagram early in 2022, and they continue to make waves in the community. They are developing their own style as a maker, which I'm really excited about, and this is their miner boot, which is one of my favorites. A slight variation on the Viberg 310, which I think is an improvement for me in terms of fit, at least for my foot. It has that curved heel, which I like here, and a Dr. Sol 1220 sole, which has probably become one of my favorite daily use soles. So this is the miner boot from XBXS Boots Factory, CF Stead Brandy Waxed Kudu with Pure Polish conditioner and cleaner, and just a little bit of weather resistant cream polish on the tips to create a little bit more of a shine there and a whole lot of brushing. So there you go, my friends. I hope you enjoy this brief video on XBXS, and we'll see you down at the next video. Bye-bye.